Sometimes being in the stable feels surreal. My life is divided for some years now. Before long COVID took over my life, I used to spend most of my days with horses. I cared for them, worked with them, gave lessons, and trained horses. Now others take care of them, clean up, while I stay home, resting a lot, slowly finding my way back to a life that will never feel the same again. But after all this time, it slowly feels like I'm regaining my strength. And that's a good thing. It gives me hope. For the first time in years, I'm looking to the future and see myself back working in the barn. But for that to happen, I first need to get away to a place where it's just me and my recovery, where I can completely structure my day freely, without obligations, without having to drain my energy on countless errands. Even though these errands currently only consist of preparing me for my trip, they still require more energy than I have in total, which makes the whole thing a bit more difficult. The bus conversion is therefore progressing much more slowly than I had hoped, and I'm working every day to avoid getting stressed, because that doesn't help progress. The problem are these little fellows where you can see how light they can move, and they should go with these tiny screws. And in the moment I am fixing this one screw, I don't have access to any of the other screws if they change place. My daughter is now living with us again after 2 years away. And we took the opportunity to visit the place where my first participation in an exhibition is taking place. And even though we all have to readjust to the situation, I always enjoy spending time with her. We make a good team. I have two paintings in this exhibition and it feels like kind of surreal. I was unable to attend the opening because I was at the painting seminar,